Today we're going to be going over how to replace the muffler on a 2019 Ram 1500. This is the muffler we're going to be replacing it with. This is the Flow FX by Flowmaster. It should be just a true bolt-on with just 2 bolts and a band clamp holding it together. Okay, so this is the stock exhaust. As you see, it mounts right here with 2 bolts, and it's actually going to need to be cut at the back to match the new exhaust. So now I'm going to do a startup of the stock exhaust, and then I'll follow up this video with the startup with the new exhaust on it to see the difference. So this is a cold start on the stock 2019 Ram 1500 exhaust. Alright, so I took a measurement of the new muffler. We're gonna have to cut this one at one end because it's a slip joint they want you to use. So I took a measurement, it was about 37 inches, which comes to right at the back of the muffler right here. So I took it at the shortest possible distance, so we're just gonna cut probably a ½ inch or an inch out from it. I'm just gonna use a Sawzall. You can use anything you want really. But I think the Sawzall is going to give me the cleanest cut through it. Alright, so you got the back cut right here. Then I used some WD-40 on the rubber grommets to slide out the mount. I took out the 2 bolts down at the end. There's a rubber grommet mount down here as well. And now we're just going to give it a little twist and get it to drop down. And the old muffler is out. Now it's time to put in the new one. Okay, this is the new exhaust going in. I just put the band clamp around the side to pinch it together. Those are the bolts you're going to need at the end. And then I stole the gasket from the old exhaust. Now we're going to put it in. Okay, the new exhaust is in. I tightened up the band clamp so it pinched to the original part of the exhaust. Then down at the end, I put the 2 bolts in with the lock washers. And then there's a little small ground wire right there that connects to the mount. So we're going to go ahead and fire it up and see what's Alright, so that's a wrap up on the Flowmaster exhaust on the 2019 Ram 1500. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe so I can make more content and DIY videos for everybody. Have a good one.